Hello everyone! Today we're taking a look at our daily planner template, and this is for your Remarkable Paper Pro, but this template is also available for other tablets such as Remarkable 2, Kindle Scribe, Supernote, or any of the Onyx Boox tablets. So all of the functionalities you see in this video are also available for those tablets. Now, this is a fully hyperlinked PDF document, and you can see here our cover page, but let's go ahead and take a look. This is the year calendar page, and what I mean by fully hyperlinked is that when you press on a particular date, it takes you to that daily page. And on the daily page, you have lots of ways of navigating the document. So you can go to a different day in the week with just the tap of your finger. You can also go to the extra pages for each day. And you also have the toolbar here on the side where you can go to a different month. So for example, if we go to February, then we have the monthly February page, and we can go to the weekly page as well. And that can take us back to our daily page. And just a note here, I've been using the side monthly navigation, but if you prefer to have your toolbar on the side, like so, you have some navigation options at the top. So you can go to that month's calendar page with the first button. So you see we're back in February, or you can go to your yearly page by pressing the second button, and we're back to our 2026 yearly calendar. And all of these pages are fully customizable, so you can choose a different monthly layout if you like. You can choose a different weekly layout as well, and you can completely customize your daily page, including your schedule and the layout itself, and even these extra note pages. So we're going to go ahead and have a look at how to do that in the next section. Hello everyone! Today we're going to take a look at our daily planner template, and we're going to be customizing it for our Remarkable Paper Pro. But this product is also available for other tablets from our store. Now, when you purchase this template, you will receive a link to come to this page, and here you will see all the different products that you have bought, and you'll be able to customize and download them again. Now, if we go ahead and click on Daily Planner, you will see you have two options. You can do a quick download. This is instantly downloadable, and it is a planner that is based on general preferences that are loved most by our customers. So you will select some general parameters, and then you can instantly download your template to your device and then upload it to your tablet. But today we're going to be customizing it, and this takes a few more minutes, but I promise it's going to be worth it because it's going to be perfect for your own personal needs, and you can customize it as you like. So let's go ahead and select that. And once you do that, you will have this pop-up where you can select some general parameters. So you get to choose your calendar year. I'm going to go with 2026. You can choose your week start. So I'm going to use the Monday start, but if you're in the US, you might use the Sunday start. And then I'm right-handed, but we also have options available for left-handed users. We go ahead and click Start. And then you will see that we have a little tutorial that shows you how to use this platform. I'm going to skip it for now, but feel free to have a look. Now, in the top left-hand corner, you have your document sections, you have your quarterly overview, your monthly calendar, your weekly plan, and your daily plan. So let's go ahead and start with our quarterly overview. And here you get a preview, and also you can change your layouts. So as you can see, we have a few different options like horizontal, vertical, and I'm going to go ahead and select the free form. Is the one that I like because I can make some notes about my goals for the quarter and what I want to achieve. And I like the lines, but you can also select squares or a dotted grid if you prefer. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose lines, and then if you notice there's a little call out option here. So if ever there is a functionality that you're not sure about, if you hover over that call out, you will get a summary about what the functionality does. Now let's go ahead and click done and move on to the monthly calendar. So again, by clicking the orange button, you can select a different layout. So for example, you have a large calendar or a short one with notes. And I like the rows because I can make some extra notes for each day. So I'm gonna select that one and click done. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our weekly plan. And here you can see that we can change the template again. So you do have a few different options. I like this vertical layout, but we have these notes on the right hand side. So instead of leaving it here with targets and tasks, I'm just going to select the note format. And I like the lines, but again, you can use squares or dots, and you can even add a weekly tracker by toggling the button here, and it's added at the bottom. So I'm just going to leave it with plain lined notes and click done. Now let's take a look at our daily plan. So this is probably where you'll spend most of your time on your planner. So you want to dedicate a couple of minutes to making sure it's perfect for you. But if for some reason you need to take a break or you need to stop and come back to this later, there's the option to save and continue later, so you can pick up right where you left off. So let's click that orange button and have a look. So here we have the different layout options. So for example, you can do a schedule only or the task only. You also have the Hobonichi style, which are these squared layout, or the bullet journal, so if you prefer a dotted grid. Now personally, I like the task list with the schedule, and I'm gonna add my top 3 priorities because I think it makes it really easy to have a look at them like this. Now if you notice on the schedule, we have a start here at 6 a.m. and it goes down to 8 p.m. But I'm not much of a morning person, so I'm gonna change my schedule start to 8 a.m. and that's going to get the finish up until 10 p.m. Okay, so this is much better for my day, and you can select a different start as you like. Now, I like this 12-hour format, but you can also use a 24-hour format. And if you have short meetings or you prefer a shorter time interval, you can make it into a 30-minute time interval. I'm gonna change it back to 12 hours and 60 minutes. And I'm gonna add a time block grid. And I really like this time block grid because I can quickly fill in when I'm busy. And when I'm having a look at my schedule, I can see when I'm free and when I'm busy. I also like to add the morning and evening routines. This is just a checkbox at the top that I can check when I've done these. So I'm pretty happy with these options, but you can have a look and see that there's lots of things that you can customize. And on your daily plan, this is your main page, but each day has 3 pages, and you can customize each one individually. So for my page 2, I like to add a daily log where I can make a note of the time and make some notes. And then on my 3rd page, I like to leave it as plain notes. As you know by now, I like the lines, but you can select a different style like squares, dots, or just leave it blank if you like to draw or doodle. So I'm gonna go back to my lines, and then I'm just gonna check that everything is okay. So you can quickly jump and preview, and sometimes it takes a couple of seconds for the preview to refresh, but don't worry, this is going to look perfect on your device. So let's go ahead and click done. And those are all our sections. Now there's a few more settings here, and we have the style. This is related to your cover page, so you can select a different cover page. I like the leaves, but you can also upload a custom cover. So you can upload a picture that you took, or you can upload another image that you've downloaded from the internet or something you drew. You can also change the name of your document by typing in here what you like. I like daily planner, so I'm going to leave it like that. And you can choose to show or hide the year and show or hide the document name. So I'm pretty happy with that. And then we can go back to our preferences. So we selected these at the start. If you made a mistake or you want to change it, you can change to a different year, or you can update your handedness. And if you've played around and you're not too happy with what you came up with, you want to start, you can click this red reset button and it'll take you back to the default settings. Now, once I'm happy with all of that, I'm going to click generate document and continue. And it only takes a couple of minutes for this to generate our PDF, which we can download to our device. And then by using the Remarkable app, you can upload it to your Remarkable Paper Pro. Or if you have another device, then you can use their own functionalities to upload this template from your computer or your tablet to your Supernote or Kindle Scribe, for example. Okay, so that's everything. We're going to go ahead and upload it to our Remarkable and see how it looks there. Okay, so we're back, and I have now used the Remarkable app to import my customized daily planner into my Remarkable Paper Pro. And as you can see, I have my daily page just as I like it. I have my top priorities, I have my schedule starting at 8, and I have my extra notes pages just as I like it. So it's ready to use and perfectly customized to my needs. It was really easy to customize it and even easier to upload it into my device. And we hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to share your creations with us, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them for you. And if you like this video, we'd love it if you give it a like. You can also subscribe to our channel, where we often share tips so you can make the most of all of your tablets. And I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next time, bye bye.